So this outdoor fan right here, we pretty much leave it out here all the time. It gets the sun, it gets rained on, everything like that. It pops off super easy. They have some clamps that you can put on here to make sure it's super secure, but you don't need them because this little thing right here, well, it pops off. And this will pop off, and there's a little screw in here to take this blade off. So if you ever need to do anything with the blade, everything comes off really, really easy. There's jackhammer in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but works good. I've never not had it work whenever I came out here. I'll put it on 3. Show you guys. It's not too heavy. Look, blows real nice, and it rotates as well. I'll rotate towards the camera now. It's like a regular fan, but just nice, you know, hardcore industrial metal one that's gonna be a lot more durable than regular old, you know, wall fan. Speaking of wall fans, you can put it up on the wall as well. It comes in this version, and it comes in a version that you can screw to the wall, but the head is pretty much the same because it just slides on this thing as well.